d square plus d minus 6 into y is equal to 5 into e to the power of 2x plus e to the power of minus 3x. Solution. First, this is the question. So first of all, we have to find complementary function, that is yc. So for that, find auxiliary equation, which is equal to, substitute d is equal to m in the given equation, that is equal to LHS value. So especially in LHS value, that is equal to d square plus m square plus m minus 6 is equal to 0. Now find the roots of this quadratic equation. So now we have to use calci. Equation number 5, this is quadratic equation. Press number 3. C, A, B, C means m square coefficient, m coefficient and constant. So m square coefficient is 1 is equal to, m coefficient is also 1 is equal to, the next to last value is, constant value is minus 6. So negative 6 is equal to, so x1 is equal to 2. Then let m1 is equal to 2. Now press equal button again. m2 is equal to minus 3. Therefore we can write m minus 2 into m plus 3 is equal to 0. Then m is equal to 2 comma minus 3. These roots are real and distinct. So write the yc complementary function. So these are the real and distinct. So c1 into e to the power of minus 3x plus c2 e to the power of 2x. This is the complementary function. Now find particular integral, that is equal to yp is equal to, formula is x by f of d. X means RHS value, f of d means LHS value, that is equal to, so here this is the LHS value, 5 into e to the power of 2x plus e to the power of minus 3x upon LHS value is d square plus d minus 6. In this case, split the denominator to first one and second one, that is equal to 5 into e to the power of 2x by d square plus d minus 6 plus, here we have plus, so write the plus, and e to the power of minus 3x upon d square plus d minus 6, that is equal to, now here in this case x coefficient is 2, so substitute d is equal to 2, and here x coefficient is minus 3, substitute d is equal to 3. So first of all, substitute d is equal to minus 3. 5 into e to the power of 2x by 2 square plus 2 minus 6 plus e to the power of minus 3x upon d is equal to minus 3, substitute in this one, minus 3 whole square minus 3 plus minus 6, so that is equal to 5 into e to the power of 2x by, this is 4 plus 2, 6 minus 6, 6 minus 6 plus e to the power of minus 3x by, this is 9 minus 9, this is 0, this is also 0. So here we have to write in factors form, that is equal to, this is the factors form. So 5 into e to the power of 2x by d minus 2 into d plus 3 plus e to the power of minus 3x by d minus 2 into d plus 3. Now here if we substitute d is equal to 2, it is 0 and it is 5. So here, in this case, here we have to substitute here only, not here. Same here, d is equal to minus 3. If we substitute d is equal to minus 3 here, again it is 0. So leave this one, substitute here. Here d is equal to 2. That is equal to 5 into e to the power of 2x by d minus 2 into d plus 3 plus e to the power of minus 3x by d minus 2 into d plus 3. See here, d is equal to, if we substitute d is equal to here, again it is 0, it is 5, so need just substitute here only. And here d is equal to minus 3. If we substitute d is equal to minus 3 here, it is 0. So just substitute here only. That is equal to 5 into e to the power of 2x by d minus 2 is as it is into here substitute the d is equal to 2 plus 3 plus e to the power of minus 3x by substitute d is equal to minus 3 here minus 3 minus 2 into d plus 3, that is equal to 5 into e to the power of 2x by this is d minus 2 into it is 5 plus e to the power of minus 3x by this is minus 5 into d plus 3. See here 5 gets cancelled. If we observe the power value is 1, here also power value is 1. Again if we substitute x, d is equal to here it is 0. If we substitute d is equal to minus 3, this is also 0. So in this case have to use formula that is equal to e to the power of ax by d minus a whole to the power of n is equal to x to the power n by n factorial into e to the power of ax is as it is. And here e to the power of minus ax by d plus a whole to the power of n is equal to x to the power of n by n factorial into e to the power of minus ax is as it is. Here if we compare these two, here a is equal to 3 and n is equal to 1 because the power value is 1. Here also n is equal to 1. Substitute in this formula, that is equal to x to the power of 1 by 1 factorial into e to the power of 2x. See here in the negative, so plus into minus, it is minus 1 by 5 into this is x power 1 by 1 factorial into e to the power of minus 3x, that is equal to x into e to the power of 2x minus 1 by 5 into x into e to the power of minus 3x is the yp value. Now general solution is equal to yc plus yp, which is equal to y, that is equal to yc value is c1 e to the power of minus 3x plus c2 e to the power of 2x plus yp value is x into e to the power of 2x minus 1 by 5 into x into e to the power of minus 3x is the solution.